First, I'd like to thank you and welcome you on behalf of Gary and I, representing the facilities, energy, and water industries, for your participation, your presentation, and your listening to these. We hope you'll appreciate the presentations today. A few housekeeping items. First, again, cell phone silence. Still believe we don't need to remind people all the time, but conversations we'd ask, just because the room is not very deep, if you could just keep the side conversations to a minimum, because they'll echo in here and everyone will hear them. Just to reiterate, we still have our expo hours from 10 to 7 in the 2 spaces, so encourage you to stop by and look at some of our partners and products. And what they demonstrated yesterday to show the product, our SLTC, or San Leandro Tech Campus facility, there are several pods that are showing the data, the devices, and what we're doing in the facility space, from everything from data science and everything. So if you're more than welcome to stop by and take a look at that as well. And then get ready for day 3, just as we start day 2. These are not mine. But for the technical resources, the labs, there's a lot of great deep dive opportunities to learn how to do everything from, especially with the fog lamp, the edge data store, the OCS, and doing a lot more with data than just that traditional historian model. And there is a range of training and labs, so we do encourage everyone to make sure that they're signed up. And again, all labs require pre-registration, so just take a quick look. We'd just like to cover a couple introductions of all of the presentations today, just so you have an idea of what the schedule is, and then we'll get ready to kick it off with our first presentation. Today we have Robusys and the ORIS group presenting fault detection and energy modeling, and at their customers that they're working with. We have UC Davis, who is sustainable innovation. Actually, I think a really cool presentation of how they're using Wi-Fi connectivity to figure out occupancy when occupancy is not available. So trying to change the rules and use different data sets to solve problems in an unintended way. We have NASA, Jacobs, and SAS. Jacobs and SAS are presenting here on the behalf of NASA around predictive maintenance and predictive analytics. And then we have the University of Utah doing forecasting and dynamic real-time optimization around facilities. So we hope these presentations will interest you.
Great, thanks, Scott. So that'll take us up to lunch, which starts at 12:30, goes till 2:30, and in the afternoon, there's going to be 4 presentations, all dealing with water management. And at 2:30, the first one will be California Water Services Company. Great presentation about a lot of their reporting and how they've automated a lot of that. Then be followed up by Sebaspi. They happen to be the largest water company in the Southern Hemisphere. They think they manage water, wastewater for about 25 million people. So there's some interesting stories coming out of there, especially on transparency. Then the third presentation will be on Great Lakes Water Authority, formerly Detroit Water. And they've won some awards, and you'll see all the great things that they've done today now. And the fourth presentation for water is going to be starting at 4:45 in the afternoon. Currently, the app, I think it says 5:30. That should get fixed in the next half an hour. But this last one is also from Brazil. It's BRK Ambiental. And the presentation will run from 4:45 to 5:30. And then at 5:30, everyone's welcome to attend the social mixer here. That's going to run from 5:30 to 6:30. So very casual, nothing formal. It's just a great way to have everyone network. And then dinner is at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock at China Live. And it's like a 20-minute walk, so pretty close. So 8 fantastic presentations today, and thank you for all for coming, and especially all the speakers. We couldn't do this without you, so we're going to have a great day.